Hello guys, today we are gonna unbox OnePlus 8 Pro. We do have it in black color. It's 8GB 128GB variant. It comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. The good thing about OnePlus 8 Pro, it does have a refresh rate about for 120Hz and its display is Fluid AMOLED. That's nice. Let's get started. So we're gonna unbox it. Let's open the wheel. So yeah, here it is, OnePlus 8 Pro. Very good package too. So yeah, it is also wirelessly charged, so it does give us a so yeah, it looks nice and premium. We'll keep it here. Let's see what's in the box. Some paperwork. Yeah, that's paperwork. And many stickers. Okay, so case looks nice. It does say, oh yeah, never settle. That's nice. USB 3.0. That's also good. C Type C. Yes, you can see. So we do have a rapid charge. It comes with the 30-watt rapid charge, so it's a fast charger. Keep it here. Yeah, so everything is here. Let's get started with the phone. So there it is, OnePlus 8 Pro. So talking about the back side, it does have 4 cameras, 48 megapixel main camera and 48 megapixel ultra wide. It does have a 8 megapixel telephoto and 5 megapixel. It's a color filter. So on the downside, you can see it does have a SIM tray and a USB Type C and speakers. Talking about the speakers, it does have a Dolby Atmos speakers, so it provides a surround sound to the user. And in the front we have a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. Let's start. Let's see. So powered by Android, OnePlus. And on the side also, you can see on the right side it does have a power button, and that's a silent mode, and the volume rockers on the left side. And they say it does have a IP68 water and dirt resistant display also. Yeah, it's a Fluid AMOLED. As you can see, we are doing the setup. Let's skip it everything. Setting up the time for the first one. It tells you about. As you can see, we had done the setup. So yeah, it's there. Alright, as you can see, everything is there. Yeah, the color is premium. Yeah, it feels premium. You can see I'm setting everything up. So let's see. Let's look at the camera. Very nice. Color ratio also. So yeah, it does have 48 megapixel now. 7 megapixel. It just shifts to that. It blurs everything. It focuses on the only thing which you press. So that's also nice. Thank you for watching it. We've done everything. Thank you.